Hi student, today we are studying the a second, that is the a classification of the algae. Generally algae are classified according to their color, according to their pigment system, like a green color, then brown color and the red color. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे अलगी जो है सवाल उसका क्लासिफिकेशन जब करते हैं हम तो उसके कलरेशन बोले तो पिगमेंट फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट लाइक ए ग्रीन कलर ब्राउन एंड द रेड. तो जनरली क्लोरोफाइसी फियोफाइसी एंड रोफाइसी. यहाँ पे क्लोरोफाइसी इज द a green in color. The photosynthetic pigments are the green like a chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Okay. एक क्लोरोफाइसी के अंदर the algal plant bodies are found in a fresh water. Algae are the found in a fresh water like the river, then dam, then various types of a fresh water sources. Then in a chlorophycy, the cell wall is made up of a special that is the a cellulose. यहाँ पे सेल वॉल के अंदर क्या रहता सेल्यूलोज. ओके. Then plant bodies are unicellular. Plant bodies are unicellular means the made up of a only one cell. Then the in a chlorophycy, the members or a plant bodies are found in a colonies. ओके. जैसे अपने सिटी के अंदर कॉलोनी रहती, बहुत सारे मकान रहते, तो वैसे एक कॉलोनी, ये देखो दिस इज द एक कॉलोनी टाइप that is called as the colonial. Colonial is the they are found or a living in a colony, and the plant bodies are filamentous means the for example Spirogyra, a filament like structure. Okay. Then chloroplast may be discoid or it may be plate like or a cup shaped, or a chloroplast may be spirally arranged. Chloroplast may be a spirally arranged. ये देखो ऐसा. Okay. They are the a spirally arranged chloroplast. It may be plate like and special that is the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Okay. Then there is a presence of a pyrannoids. Presence of a pyrannoid, and this pyrannoid is made up of a rich with the proteins. इसमें क्या रहता प्रोटीन. और बच्चे व्हाट इज मीन बाय प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन कैसे बनता तो प्रोटीन इज मेड अप ऑफ a many amino acid. In an organism there are 20 types of the amino acid and they are linked with the peptide bond to form a polymer that is called as the protein. Means the protein is a chain of amino acid. Protein is a chain of amino acid, and within the pyrannoid there is a presence of a rich of proteins. For example, chlorella, Spirogyra, Cara, then Volvox. Okay, so these are the a silent features of the a chlorophycy, that is the green algae. Okay. Then second a pheophycy, that is the brown algae. Pheophycy is the brown algae. ये देखो algae के बहुत सारे टाइप्स है. कई कई ग्रीन algae है, ब्राउन है और रेड algae. तो pheophycin is the a brown algae, and this brown algae or a pheophycy, the plant body or a algal plant body are found in a marine. Okay. Marine water source. Then the plant body is simple and branched. It forms a profusely branched. Then cell wall is made up of a cellulose. Cell wall is made up of a cellulose and fucans as well as the algae. Okay. there is a special chemical substances are there, that is the cellulose, ficanes and the algin. Okay, that there is a presence of a photosynthetic pigment like a chlorophyll A, B and the fucoxanthin. क्या रहता है उसमें? Fucoxanthin. Most important wording, that is the fucoxanthin. That in a phycophyceae, the reserve food material in the form of a mannitol. क्या रहता है reserve food material? Mannitol. Okay. Then lamnarin and starch. बच्चों यहाँ पे देखो, a reserve food material in the form of a mannitol. क्या रहता है reserve food material? Mannitol. Okay. Then lamnarin and the starch. Okay. Then the plant body is differentiated into hold fast. क्या रहता है उसमें? Hold fast. Then stalk like structure, that is called like the stipe, and a photosynthetic, a leaf like structure, that is called like the frond. क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? Frond. Okay. For example, Laminaria and the ectocarpus. Laminaria and the ectocarpus. यहाँ पे देखो बच्चों, ये लैमिनेरिया प्लांट है, उसके अंदर ए होल्ड फास्ट है. ये देखो, द बेसल पार्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड द होल्ड फास्ट, देन ए स्टॉक लाइक कॉल्ड द ए स्टिप, एंड ए फोटोसिंथेटिक पार्ट दैट इज द ए लीव्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज कॉल्ड द ए फ्रॉन्ड. ओके, मीन्स द ए प्लांट बॉडी इज a differentiated into a hold fast, then stipe and the frond. Means the a root like structure, not a root, then stem like structure as well as the a leaf like structure, that is called as the a laminaria. Okay, then for example laminaria and the ectocarpus. Then third type, that is the rhodophyceae, means the including the red algae. ये देखो बच्चों, एक कलरेशन है, कुछ कुछ अलगिया ऐसी है कि रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, तो कुछ कुछ अलगिया ऐसी है रेड कलर है उसका. क्या है? रेड कलर. तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? rhodophyceae. ओके, rhodophyceae is the a red algae. ओके, तो फ्रेश वाटर एज वेल एज द मरीन वाटर. ये rhodophyceae algae कहाँ पे मिलती, कहाँ पे रहती, कहाँ पे दिखाई देती? तो मरीन एज वेल एज द फ्रेश वाटर एंड इन ए डीप सी. इन ए डीप सी देयर इज ए फाउंड ऑफ ए फ्रेश वाटर एज वेल एज द मरीन एज वेल एज द डीप सी. दैट cell is made up of a chlorophyll A, B and phycoerythrin. ओके, यहाँ पे देखो उसके सेल के अंदर एक बहुत सारा ये रहता फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट, दैट इज द ए क्लोरोफिल ए, यहाँ पे D एंड phycoerythrin. यहाँ पे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्डिंग है phycoerythrin. ओके बच्चों ध्यान में रखो, a cell is made up of a photosynthetic pigment like the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D and phycoerythrin. Okay, then cell wall is made up of a cellulose and the pectin. cell wall के अंदर क्या रहता? cellulose and the pectin. For example, and the reserve food material in the form of a फ्लोरिडीन. ओके, यहाँ पे रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल क्या है? फ्लोरिडीन एंड द स्टार्च. फ्लोरिडीन एंड द स्टार्च. ओके, और ये rhodophyceae का इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस ये है, उसका क्या बनता? अगार अगार पाउडर. और दिस पाउडर का एक न्यूट्रिएंट मीडिया यूज करते. ओके, एक टिश्यू कल्चर टेक्निक के अंदर एक न्यूट्रिएंट मीडियम लगते हैं, एंड उस न्यूट्रिएंट मीडियम बनाने के लिए ए रोडोफाइसी अगार अगार पाउडर यूज किया जाता है। ओके, बोले तो टिश्यू कल्चर के अंदर जहां पे टिश्यू कल्चर मीन्स द ए सिंगल सेल टू डेवलप ए न्यू एंटायर ऑर्गेनिज्म, न्यू एंटायर प्लांट with the help of a nutrient medium, and that nutrient medium is produced is obtained from a agar agar. Okay, for example a chondrus and the Polysyphonia. इसके एग्जांपल्स क्या है? चॉन्ड्रस एंड द पॉलीसाइफोनिया। तो यहाँ पे बच्चों देखो, algae are classified according to their coloration, according to their photosynthetic pigment, and they are classified into chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and the rhodophyceae. Means the algae are classified according to the a photosynthetic pigment like the chlorophyll, xanthophyll and phycobilin, and they are classified into three types: chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखो, क्लोरोफाइसी बोले तो ग्रीन algae, phaeophyceae बोले तो ब्राउन algae एंड rhodophyceae बोले तो रेड algae। ओके, और एक क्लोरोफाइसी का क्या है? फ्रेश वाटर में सोर्स है, एंड सेल वॉल इज मेड अप ऑफ ए सेल्यूलोज। Then plant body is unicellular, means the made up of a only one cell. Then colonial means the colony type living in a colony, that is called like the colonial, and the filamentous. ये देखो, this is the filamentous, for example Spirogyra. Then chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, cup-shaped, or it may be a spirally arranged. Okay, ये स्पायरोगायरा के अंदर देखो स्पाइरली अरेंज्ड। ओके, ऐसा। Then pyrenoids, these are the spirenoid and they are rich with a protein. For example, chlorella and the Spirogyra. Then second है phaeophyceae, that is the brown. सोर्स क्या है? कहाँ पे रहते हैं? मरीन वाटर। प्लांट बॉडी सिंपल एंड ब्रांच्ड। Then cell wall is made up of a cellulose and ficanes as well as the algae. Okay, most important ficanes and the algae. And photosynthetic pigment like the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B and the fucoxanthin. Okay, fucoxanthin पे ट्रेस करो. Then reserve food material in the form of a mannitol as well as the lamnarin and starch. Then plant body is differentiated into the holdfast, stiff and the layers like a frond. For example, Laminaria and the Ectocarpus. And the third type, that is the Rhodophyceae, is a red algae, and it is found in a fresh water as well as the marine water, and it is also found in a deep sea. Then cell is made up of a chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. यहाँ पे phycoerythrin पे ट्रेस करना है. And cell wall is made up of a cellulose and the pectins. And reserved food material is the a floridine starch. Okay. Then in Rhodophyceae there is a economic importance, that is the a production of the agar agar. And that agar agar is used for in a tissue culture technique. For example, chondrus and the a Polysyphonia. Okay, thanks. बच्चों, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना।